Hi, my name's Lesley Redman and I'm a specialist oral health trainer. Now I have a product with me today that I'd like to show you. It's a product from the bioXtra Dry Mouth range. So what I've got here is bioXtra Dry Mouth Ultra Mild Mouth Rinse. Now it comes in a 250ml bottle, so there's plenty of mouth rinse, and it's also got a measuring cap as well, so you're going to know exactly how much you need to measure out. Now, with other bioXtra products, they all contain moisturisers and enzymes which can help to lubricate and moisturise tissues, but this mouthwash has an added bonus. It contains 1500 parts per million of fluoride. Now, we know fluoride helps to strengthen the enamel and it can prevent against decay. So for me, this is a two-in-one product. Not only does it alleviate symptoms of dry mouth, it's also keeping your teeth strong and healthy, which is an added bonus. So moving on to how we use it, the most effective way to use it is to measure out 10 ml of the mouth rinse. You're not going to dilute this mouth rinse, you take it as it is. And then we're going to use a swishing effect in the mouth. So we're going to swish it from side to side, top to bottom, making sure that all the tissues are coated in the mouth rinse. It's going to take you about 2 minutes or so. Any more than that, you don't need to do any more. 2 minutes is sufficient enough. You'll then spit it out into the sink. Don't need to rinse with water. You can use it regularly throughout the day and it can maintain that comfort and freshness. So really good product to use. Not only is it also stopping the effects of dry mouth, it's also cleaning your mouth, it's giving you that fresh mouth, and it's also giving you the strengthening the enamel as well and making that mouth nice and healthy. So with all the products from the bioXtra Dry Mouth range, they are available by your GP on prescription, also over the counter, and you can get these products online as well. So give it a try, see what you think. It can be used in conjunction with all the other bioXtra products out there, and I think it complements the other products out there quite well as well. So if you like the video, please press the like button, and you can subscribe, you can get more training videos, and if you follow the link, there's lots more information out there for you as well. Thanks for listening, have a great day.